What's going on, guys? Phil here from the Sydney Trains channel. I'm just deciding to do a K-set vlog, especially just for the Newcastle K-sets that have recently, or somewhat recently, been decommissioned, taken off the line to Newcastle, and they've merged into two 4-carriage sets. That target plate there said K3, but this set is now K99. As you can see, guard door's been boarded up, so's the other one. Sydney Trains map's been put there. Got a little seat. There's your car number. The next carriage pointing this way is C3504. So, manual handbrake. Got the yellow still on this set. As you can see, the train's moving, so I won't stay out here for too long. There's the old K3 target plate. And there's K4's old target plate. Anyway, there's you just got the old driver compartment in there. You still got your headlights. Same again, guard door's been boarded up, repainted and whatnot, map on both of them. This is carriage 4098. Next carriage pointing this direction is C3503, which is also where K98 is. K98 has cars 3501, 4096, 4097, and 3502. My brain just went blank there. Anyway, I'm almost at Hornsby. Just stopped. The car numbers for K99 is 3503, 4098, 4099, and 3504. Top deck. And here's the bottom deck.
With all customers, please leave the train upon arrival at Hornsby, all that all change. Please remember to report your belongings with you. This is your train time. Have a nice day and thank you for traveling with Sydney Trains.
Just arriving at Hornsby.
This is Hornsby, train terminates here. All out, all change.
If anyone has any requests about where they want me to vlog next or what they want me to vlog, just let me know and I'll do my best to vlog whatever you request. Just as long as it's to do with Sydney Trains, New South Wales Trains, and New South Wales Train Link. As you can tell, the guard door's been boarded up. There's no longer a slide window there. Just between the carriages. This is set K99. Another boarded up door is carriage D4099. Anyway guys, sorry for the short vlog. I just thought I would vlog about this set. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next vlog.